It looks like a horror scene, though. That's the sound of the throwout bearing. It's starting to fail. To get to the throwout bearing, we need to remove the transmission. To do that, we need to remove the 14mm bell housing bolts, support bolts, as well as the shift linkage. With the transmission safely on the ground, we can get a good look at the culprit. Before replacing your clutch, also replace your throwout bearing. And that includes the sleeve or hub it rides on. Yeah, they're the same. This one, bad one. This is the good one. White dot. And, you know, it's got to have the white dot in the package. You can't take it out and then put the white dot on it. Remove these 12mm bolts. New parts. Scrape off the old gasket. I used a toothbrush. Make sure you apply a thin, even coat of the new gasket. Ensure that we use high quality grease on all the metal contact points, including the sleeve and inside the bearing. One more thing, make sure the clutch fork clip is in the correct position. The bend should be towards the fork. As you can see, this is the incorrect position.